और उसके ऊपर ऐसे लोड है, ओके, एंड देन दिस इज, एंड यू नीड टू फाइंड आउट, लेट्स से यहाँ पे उसका दूसरा रिएक्शन है और ऐसे यहाँ पे दूसरा है. Let's say you need to find out the moment at x. What you generally do is that you draw a cutting line. Okay. Once you draw the cutting line, you basically, what you do is that you let go of the left side or the right side of the beam. मतलब ये, okay. Now this is called the free body diagram. Okay. Now you only take this much. Now you have to figure out, okay, this, let's say this is A and let's say this is B. So you say that, okay, A into distance whatever is making a clockwise rotation. So it is positive. Okay, this distance. And then you have B. B into whatever this distance is making an anti-clockwise rotation. So that becomes minus B into whatever is the distance. Okay, so that will ultimately give you the M at X. So that's what I have done here. I have basically taken this point. ठीक है, ये x है ना, तो ये उसके लेफ्ट साइड पे खाली एक ही रिएक्शन है, एक ही फोर्स है. सो दैट इज 60 into 3, right? So 60 into 3 is whatever, 180. So mx happens to be 180. Since it is symmetrical, we can easily assume that this point also has 180. So that's why this became both of them 180, 180. ठीक है?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. And then what we basically did is that ये positive है और ये negative है. अपने को इसका data पता है, but we don't know how much is this distance. So we are just equating area of positive is equal to area of negative. Negative का अपने को MA find करना है. And this is a rectangle. So total area of this shape is going to be MA into L. And this one, it's trapezoid. So, you know, whatever. This is the formula we used that. Okay, so that is how we arrived at MA as 112.5. And this point is, if this is 112.5 and this is 180, so how much is this much going to be?
Rajita, why have you marked MD as 112.5?
Because MA and MB both, since the loads are acting equally, are equidistant and are of equal value, we can assume that MA is equal to MB. ठीक है ना?
Yeah.
Yeah, because it is the same, right? It is just a mirror opposite. It is just an opposite. Because at one point, in case if these were same weights, but the same loads are acting not equidistant, then also it will create a disruption. But since we have, for just for simplicity's sake, you know, if they are going to be same, then we can assume that it is going to be an equal and an opposite reaction. ठीक है? Okay. अभी क्या बोल रही थी कि if this is 180, yeah, if this is 180, which is from here to here, this is total is 180, and this much is 1112. What we are interested to find is what is this one, right? So that is going to be 67.5, 180 minus 112.5. So this here is 67.5. 67.5. Okay. You have to always remember that the 0 line is here. Okay. 0 line is here. ठीक है? Did you all understand how we got 67.5? Ambika, Fleur.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Rajita, I had a doubt.
हाँ, पूछो.
in this case, the beam, the loads were like symmetrical. So, so that's why we like got the reaction forces. But like if the beam is not symmetrical, then we'll have to like calculate that, right?
या सो वो उसी के लिए मैंने ये स्टेप किया था यहाँ पर. ये वाला दिख रहा है, ये वाला
Yeah.
इसलिए किया था कि in case if we didn't know what is reaction RB, तो MA is equal to 0 ना, तो RB डालोगे तो you will be able to find out what is RA and RB.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
नेक्स्ट वाला सम वैसा करते हैं ताकि वी फाइंड आउट व्हाट इज ये. अभी तक किसी को कोई डाउट है? एनीथिंग एनीबडी वांट्स टू आस्क?
What are the units?
Units of all these things are
67.
bending moment na, so kilonewton meter.
Okay. Yeah.
Kilonewton meter is the thing. Okay, now let me okay, let's say if we have, okay, this is a simplistic way of finding it. Okay, we just equated the areas like that, but we also have ready-made formulas, right? That W into A square B by L square and W into A B square L square and all that. So now let's see if we have a let's say we have this is 45 and this is 60. Okay, this is 2, 2 and 2. 2 meters, 2 meters and 2 meters. Okay, now we need to find out what is the bending moment at X, what is the bending moment at Y, what is the bending moment at A, and what is the bending moment at B. And also we need to plot the BMD, means वो पूरा diagram plot करना है. ठीक है? That is what we need to do. Now in this case we have to understand that there are two loads. So okay, any idea how we can proceed with this one? So let's say this beam is on hinges and on rollers, right? So we have to first find the area of positive moment. Area of so this is 45 and this is 60. Okay. So ये ऐसे sag होगा, right? This is going to sag like this because of it. So we need to find out what is the area of positive moment, right? तो इसके लिए मुझे ये पहले find out करना पड़ेगा what is the RA here and what is the RB here. Because अभी क्या है, यहाँ पे reactions are not similar because the loads are different. Now sigma MA, because it is a hinge, I know that it is 0, right? Now that is equal to 45 into 2, right? It is making a clockwise rotation. So I'm going to simply write 45 into 2. 60 into 4, because and that is also making a clockwise rotation. So I'm writing 60 into 4. Now what else is acting here? RB. So RB into 6, and that is making an anti-clockwise rotation. So minus RB into 6. Okay. So minus RB into 6. So if I do this, I'll be able to find out what is 90 plus 240. So 90 plus 240 divided by 6. So I get RB as RB is equal to 55 kilonewton. Okay. 55 minus, so 50. So RA is equal to 50 kilonewton. Okay. Now I need to find out what is mx. Okay. So mx is equal to, तो अगर ये बीम है तो मैंने इस बीम को यहाँ से कट किया. So I only have one what to say, only one reaction, right? So I only have one reaction, which is RA, and RA is 50 into 2. So that is 100 kilonewton meter. And My is equal to, agar let's say if I cut the beam from here, and if I let go of the left side, then I have how many reactions? I have RA and I also have 45, right? So let's write RA is 50 into 4, 2 plus 2, 4, and 45 is doing an anti-clockwise rotation, right? So this is doing an anti-clockwise rotation. So for minus 45 into 2, right? So what I ultimately have is 200 minus 90. समझ में आ रहा है ना सबको? 1110 kilonewton meter. Okay. So if I want to draw the bending moment diagram for the area positive wala bending moment diagram, so it is going to look like this. Okay. So idhar say mx is 100 और my is 110. So थोड़ा increase होता है 110 और वहां से फिर 0. Okay. So this is 100, this is 110, and this is all positive. Okay. Now let's do area negative. Area negative में हमको ये पता करना है what is MA and MB. इधर तक सबको समझ में आया? Everything is okay?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So now what we'll do is that we already know the formula for MA. MA, if the loading is acentric, right? That WA B square by L square, and MB is equal to W B A square by L square. ठीक है? So this is the fixed end moment ka formula, right? Now I know that this beam can be related something like this. This beam is equal to 45 kilonewton plus this beam is equal to this beam with 45 and 60 kilonewton. ठीक है? Negative bending moment इधर. Okay. So MA for this case is equal to 45 into, what is this? 45 into A is 4. Sorry, A is 2. So 2 into b square is 4 squared divided by 6 square. ये समझ में आया ना? This is 2 and this is 4 and this is 2 and this is 4. समझ में आया ना? Okay. And MB, so this is 45 into 2 into 16 divided by 36. So this is 40 kilonewton. Now MB is equal to 45 into 4 into 2 squared by 6 squared. Okay, so that is going to be 45 into 16 divided by 36. So this is 20 kilonewton meter. अभी ये वाले सिचुएशन के लिए 60 न्यूटन के लिए क्या है? MA is equal to 60 into 4 into 2 squared divided by 6 squared. And let me just write here MA. And MB is equal to 60 into 2 into 4 squared divided by 6 squared. So if I calculate this, I'll get 60 into 16 divided by 36. This is 26.67 and this one is equal to 60 into 2 into 16 divided by 36. This is 53.33. Okay, now this is the total. So total MA is equal to 40 plus 26.67. So it is 66.67. And MB is equal to 20 plus 53. So that is 73.33. Okay. I don't know how many of you have understood or how many of you have tuned out here. Okay, so anyhow, let me just finish this one and then ask everybody. Okay, I'm just drawing the essay. 67 से 73 हो रहा है. So this is 73.33 and this is 67.67. Okay. समझ में आया सबको? फ्लोर, अंबिका, श्रवण,
Yeah.
अरहम, आदित्य. हाँ.
Yeah, got it.
पक्का?
Yes, yeah.
Okay. ऋतिक, क्षितिज, साहिल, अथर्व, भक्ति, रिया, अंजना. Okay. Okay, all right. So इसमें थोड़ा और बाकी है. We will have to find out what exactly. अभी इतना, this is 73.33. Okay, this is 73.33. We need to exactly find out what is this area, and we need to exactly find out what is this area. What is this area? नहीं, what is this distance? Okay, so so उसके लिए quite easy है, और कुछ करना नहीं है. उसमें इतना find करना है कि for the beam that is 6 meters in length, the moment, the end moments are getting increased from 66.67 to 73.33, right? So basically the difference is how much is the increase, right? So which is 6.66. Yeah. So for a beam of 6 meters, the increase in moment is 6.66, right? So for every increase of 2, the increase in moment is going to be 2 into 6.66 divided by 6, right? So that is going to be 2 into 6.66 divided by 6, 2.22. 2.22. So यहाँ पे this whole entire distance is going to be 66.66. So at x, yeah. So let me just write here. At x, the total negative moment is going to be 66.66 plus 2.22. Yeah, so that is going to be 68.88. Yeah.
Rajita, how did you get 6.66 for 6 meter?
How did I get 66.66?
No, you've written 6.66 for 6 meters.
So at MA, it is 66.67, right? At one end, it is 66.67. At the other end, it is 73.33, right? So it is increasing from 66.67 MA से MB तक 73.33. So जो difference है, that is the total increase, right? So I minus 73.33 minus 66.67 tells me how much is the total increase for a span of 6 meters, right? So for a span of 6 meters, 6.66 increase हुआ है. So every 2 meter कितना increase होता है? So every 2 meter के लिए 2 into 6.66 divided by 6, that gives me 2.2. ठीक है? Okay. So every 2 meters 2.22 increase होगा. तो अभी यहाँ पे 66.67 है, तो 2 meters हम आए तो वो 66.66 पे 2.2 ऐड करना है, which becomes 68.88. All right. और y पे 68.88 plus 2.22 ऐड करना है. समझ में आया ना क्यों? क्योंकि x पे ऑलरेडी 68.88 है, तो उसके आगे और 2 मीटर जाऊंगी तो my total increase is 2.22, right? Yeah, so that becomes 71.11. और थोड़ा और 2 मीटर आगे गई तो 2.2 increase होगा. So at y, if I add 2.22, then I will get 73.33, which is the final number on B, MB, right? So these are these negative numbers here. Now, if I have to draw the final this thing, I need to figure out. Wait a minute. I need to finally do ऐसे, right? So ये ऐसे है, इधर से थोड़ा ऊपर जाता है, थोड़ा इंक्रीज होता है और देन नीचे आता है, राइट? ओके, सो MA मैंने फाइंड आउट किया इज 66.67, ये रहा, यहाँ पे मैंने फाइंड आउट किया। MB 73.33, ये भी यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं कि दिस इज 73.33। अभी x पे, MX पे मैंने ये फिगर आउट किया कि यहाँ पे दिस इज द डिस्टेंस आई नीड। ये जो, एक मिनट, दिस इज द डिस्टेंस आई एम इंटरेस्टेड इन, ओके, एंड यहाँ पे दिस इज द इंटरेस्ट आई हैव हियर, ओके। नाउ आई नो दैट 66.67 इतना है, उसमें से 2 ऐड किया तो MX पे नेगेटिव इज 68.88 और पॉजिटिव इज 100, right? So positive is 100 and negative is 68.88, तो उसको माइनस करूंगी तो I will get the final which is 31.12. So I will write here it is 31.12. Okay, यहाँ पर क्या है, the distance is sorry, the positive is 110 minus negative कितना है 71.11. So 38.89. So this will be 38.89. Okay, so this is my final BMD, which is, this is plus and this is negative. This is also negative. ठीक है? Okay. अच्छा, आज किसी ने ये लिया क्या अटेंडेंस? आज नीरज नहीं है। Can somebody take attendance today, please?
We're not allowed to do that. I think only Neeraj has the option.
Neeraj is not in today. So how do we do that then? Can
Sorry,
somebody
can-
take?
You can
Lakshmikant. Yeah.
quiz afterwards. He'll just get the attendance.
I don't have the, I don't have the option.
No. So you just inform Lakshmikant sir and he'll do it.
How will he do it? He has the,
He has the option to do it afterwards, after the meeting is over.
acha, after the meeting. So we don't have to do, we can just log off once we are done, right?
Yes, we can.
Okay. Okay, ठीक है, ठीक है.